We are unboxing the WRM 2019, a really good flagship 3x3. So let's get into it. Okay, wow. This is something really good looking. WRM. And this is the 3x3 world record. And oh wow, that's beautiful. I think this is a new shade of pouch by Cublelo. And okay, that's a bill and a cube care card. So that's what came. Let's keep everything aside and open the box. As always, I make a cross and open. I like how this box looks. Weilong WR M, MoYu Weilong WR M, 3.47 seconds WCA record. MoYu, and okay, that's the same thing. And this is loop service. So let's open the box. The satisfying moment. Oh yay. Okay, so Team MoYu, and this is some person. Okay, that's an instruction manual. Okay, okay, yeah, that's the cube stand, display stand. We'll check that out. And here is the cube itself, and here are the accessories. Okay, here's some tape. I'll open that. Watching a few videos, I saw people messed up and their accessories all fell down. Let's not let that happen. Okay. Here we have a spring compression adjustment system, and here are some extra springs with a stronger setting, an extra stronger setting. Oh yes, here is my first ever MoYu screwdriver. I like how they look. And okay, I totally don't have idea. I don't have any idea what that is. Here's some instruction manual. Yeah, this is an extra core and some extra magnets. So let's get into unboxing the cube. Here is the cube stand, by the way. Oh, it's just, oh, there we go. And here the cube is. There we go. Here the cube is. It's 83 grams, and the shades are pretty good. So here the MoYu logo is. Shall we do some first turns? Woo! I'm a big fan of this, man. This is, oh my god, pretty, yes, a bit unstable. The magnet strength, okay, that's really weak. And this is how it looks from the inside. And if you notice, the center caps look like this, something like this. I like this display stand, and this display box which it came from is pretty cool. And I think that's a lot of accessories. Okay, so here I have my GAN 11M Pro, and I'll tell you the reason why am I switching to the WRM 2019. First of all, it pops, actually it does pop a lot, and if I just tighten the tension a bit, it does horrible corner cutting, and it locks up a bit, and the half corner pops are really irritating. That's why I am switching to the WRM 2019. Also, I've heard from many cubers meaning the WRM 2019 and have used the WRM 2021. I've heard that the WRM 2019 is the best of all. According to me, this cube is pretty unstable, so I'll just put some lube in it, weight 3 or weight 5. So I think then it will be stable. The magnet strength are pretty weak. Now let me tell you all about the size. As you can see, when I take these cubes together, you barely notice some difference, because there is a minute 0.5 mm difference. This cube is 55.5 millimeters and this is 56. In the GAN 11M, you can adjust the magnet strength, but you don't have the option over here. But I still have my cube settings at number 1, if you can see closely. Talking about the weight, there is a big difference. The GAN 11M Pro is 63 grams, while this cube, the WRM 2019, weighs 83 grams. Overall, I love this turning style. And yeah, I didn't talk about corner cutting. Okay. Reverse corner cutting. Oh wow. Okay, it gets a little jammed at 45 degrees, but it's really good. Anyway, who just turns this much and does a turn? The corner cutting, this cube has a pretty good corner cutting. It just gets a little stuck over here because it has a tight tension right now. And I have set up my GAN 11M Pro and it has pretty good corner cutting. Yes, so it's the time for the thing I was waiting from a long time, making the stand. So, I'll just pick that. There we go. So, I think it shall be flipped like this. Then you put this, and then you put this thing. Oh my god. That thing just popped off and flew inside the box. There, finally. And you can put the cube like that. Wow, that does look really great. Wow. Okay, so let's just do a solve. I'll hand scram it. Okay, I'll get the timer. Okay. Pretty decent. 1970. Lucky that I got a U-perm at the end, or else it would have been at 20, which is really horrible. So let's summarize. The corner cutting is pretty good, and yes, the magnet strength is pretty weak. I like it. It's pretty unstable, but yes, I didn't find it that unstable, but it's pretty unstable. I like the stand a lot. Oh my god, that just keeps falling off. Yes, finally. It's heavier than the GAN 11M, but I'm happy that it doesn't lock up. I have been using the WRM 2019 for about a month, and this is my review on it. Corner cutting, after loosening it a bit, the reverse corner cutting is really well. It used to have little catches, but tensioning it was like the solution for it. I put in some drops of cubic velocity, about 6-7 drops, and it's really fast now. The surface is very shiny, if you can see closely. And the biggest problem I used to have in my GAN 11M Pro was the corner twist and pops, which is 0% in this cube. So I would say that this is way better than the GAN 11M Pro, and this is a really good flagship. Out of the box, it was very great. And I also like its inner structure. If you can see, this is all white. I don't know how, I feel it looks like some wet chewing gum inside it. But yes, it's really fast. I will soon come up with more fun and interesting cube related videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.